So you have to be above the curve in terms of knowledge. Number 2, continuity of engagement. As I said, you have to win that confidence. My sincere recommendation, and this will help us, all of us in the industry, is please read and answer questions responsibly. Don't cut copy paste. Please read. अगर फेड ने डिसीजन लिया है कि हम 3 रेट करेंगे, आप अपने दोस्त के साथ, अपने ग्रुप के साथ बैठिए और सवाल जवाब करिए, उसका क्या इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है.
You know, we have someone really special today. We have Nasir Salim. He's the co-founder of Flexi Capital. We keep talking about the statistics, that mutual fund is, 50 lakh crore, it will go to maybe, 500 lakh crore, right? All of these statistics. But I think one statistic that stands out is that less than 0.1% people reach a milestone of 1,000 crore as an independent advisor. And Nasir and his firm have scaled that milestone. And so that's why Nasir is truly special in what he does and how he does it.
2016 में हम लोगों ने फिर 15 में हमने डिसाइड किया कि भाई हमने कुछ करना है, और फिर फ्लेक्सी कैपिटल की बुनियाद शुरू हुई. उसकी the seeds were put in, as we say so, and it's been a good 7.5 year journey, Aditya. And here we are. 1,000 odd crores ambition is much higher. It is to get to 5,000 crores over the next, my opinion, over the next 7 to 8 years. अब हमें 5x grow करना है. So that is where we are. I think the journey started basically first because of a great team. Secondly, because of what we saw as an opportunity for clients.
What gives you that confidence now that where that industry has come from? When sort of started your career today, and if you look at next 20 years, do you think it's going to be a 10x journey or a 100x journey for our industry from here?
आज जो मैं एक चेंज देख रहा हूँ वो ये देख रहा हूँ कि एक फोमो है, जो fear of missing out जिसे हम लोग कहते हैं, Aditya, where I'm seeing a lot of people wish to participate because there's a lot of fear of missing out to say that post 2020, for example, post COVID, and when we saw a big correction, from there to now point to point returns are huge on equity as an asset class. So today I'm seeing a lot of clients having that discussion. There is a tectonic shift between what clients originally used to say, I'm not willing to invest money in equities because equity में पैसे डूब जाते हैं, as against now saying कि नहीं, equity में पैसे लगाएंगे और अगर आपने सही तरीके से एक्सपर्ट से कंसल्ट करके लगाया तो वो एक निवेश जो आप करेंगे उसकी जर्नी बहुत अच्छी रहेगी अगर आपको सही टाइम होराइजन से पैसे लगे.
Freely talking, how do you think about onboarding your clients when you're onboarding them? How do you think about acquisition of clients? आप कोई ऐसे practices follow करते हो, and especially once they are onboarded, how do you sort of ensure that relationships stay strong and they get the right recommendation or suggestion because the market's dynamic, right? And clients' lives be dynamic.
The practice that what we follow very, very clearly, Aditya, is that, and to the audience that I will tell you, is that we follow a very, very close referral model, right? And this referral model is beautiful because it is testimonial. It gives you live testimonials of clients when you seek those active referrals from clients. And it's a symbiotic relationship. If a client is happy, existing client is happy, you go and talk to him, have a cup of coffee with him, go meet him once in 10 days for a portfolio review. I will come to that also. But I think client referrals is something which is very, very important. And number 3, a lot of discussions. We have done multiple discussions in smaller groups, Aditya. So say, for example, today, I live in a place in Delhi, in Vasant Vihar, and I have proposed to the Vasant Vihar Club, through the Residents Welfare Association, on the importance of and difference between bills and nomination. A very simple thing. But today, SEBI and AMFI repeatedly keep saying that there are many folios which don't have nomination. And they're lying in no man's land. People not even come forward to speak those folios as to their successor. So I think we're doing those small discussions. तो हमारे 2-3 बहुत सिंपल प्रोसेसेस हैं. एक कि हर एक रिलेशनशिप पे हमारे लिए हो सकता है ये एक IFA के लिए ना हो, मगर हमारे लिए हमने एक मेकर और चेकर एक कॉन्सेप्ट बनाया है. जो मैंने सिटी बैंक से लिया था। और मेकर और चेकर का बड़ा सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट होता है, अगर किसी ने कोई डिस्कशन करी है तो वो प्रपोजल बनाए हमारी टीम के साथ और दूसरा उसको चेक करे। और यही चीज हर एक ट्रांजैक्शन फ्लो में भी होती है। अगर किसी ने एक रिडेम्पशन स्विच दिलवाई है तो उसने मेक किया है, पर हमारी टीम में कोई उसको चेक करे। तो एक मेकर और चेकर कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत जरूरी है मेरे हिसाब से। उससे एक ऑनबोर्डिंग का प्रोसेस, क्लाइंट इंटरेक्शन, एक्विजिशन, ये सब चीजें इकट्ठी होती हैं।
So there must have been some clients who said no to you, but then initially, after over a period of time, they actually onboarded with you. Any such examples where you want to share? Where you sort of were able to convince those clients to come around?
हमारा ये मानना है कि सेगमेंटेशन एक बहुत जरूरी और एक अहम मुद्दा है आपको अपनी टीम से बात करने के लिए और आपको अपने क्लाइंट से इंटरेक्शन के लिए रखना है। It is very, very critical and very, very important for every person in this domain as a distributor to ensure कि आप किस सेगमेंट में काम करना चाहते हैं। आप वहां जाएं जहां पे आप वैल्यू क्रिएट कर सकते हैं और कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, वो आपका सवाल है और आपके क्लाइंट के बीच का सवाल है। मुझे जो लगता है, क्योंकि हम लोग एक बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री से आए हैं, तो कई डिस्कशंस होती हैं लोन्स पे। कई बारी क्लाइंट्स हमसे पूछते हैं कि भाई हमें लैप लें या होम लोन लें। कई डिस्कशंस हमसे होती हैं कि भाई हमें वर्किंग कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट चाहिए। तो आप अपने एक्सपीरियंस का कैसे आप उसको इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, हाउ यू कैन यूज योर ओन एक्सपीरियंस। इन आवर केस वी यूज दैट बैंकिंग एक्सपीरियंस टू गेट इनरोड विद सर्टेन क्लाइंट्स एंड बिल्ड रिलेशनशिप, राइट? सो as I said to you, Aditya, it is very, very clear, segmentation is very important. It is something that you have to decide basis your core strength as an expert and as a MFD, and you have to see whether you'll fit well in that proposition.
So when I think when someone is starting their journey, someone has asked a question कि 10 crore करने में कितना time लगेगा, but is that the right goal to set, or what you said the right goal to set should be given trust or confidence of 100 customers? What, according to you, what's the right goal to set when you're starting up?
So when you're starting out, you have to be the pillar of confidence, uncompromised ethics, and knowledge specialists, in my opinion. So you have to be above the curve in terms of knowledge. Number 2, continuity of engagement. As I said, you have to win that confidence. My sincere recommendation, and this will help us, all of us in the industry, is please read and answer questions responsibly. Don't cut, copy, paste. Please read. अगर फेड ने डिसीजन लिया है कि हम 3 रेट करेंगे, आप अपने दोस्त के साथ, अपने ग्रुप के साथ बैठिए और सवाल जवाब करिए एक दूसरे से, उसका क्या इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है।